Looking to improve your game with one of the best pickleball paddles? The wrong paddle won't just affect your play, it can cost you games. Finding a blend of power, control, and spin that suits your playstyle is key to advancing your level. So, let's get started. Number 5. Vatic Pro Pickleball Paddles. The Vatic Pro Prism Carbon Fiber 16mm pickleball paddle offers a perfect blend of control, durability, and versatility, making it ideal for players seeking balanced performance. Its standout features elevated above standard paddles, offering affordability without compromising quality. Key features: reimagined design. The Prism series is holistically designed to be the benchmark for affordable carbon fiber paddles. Its foam edge walls allow easy resets, precision shots, and durable performance while maintaining a nimble feel. Shock absorption and feel. With polyurethane inserts, this paddle significantly reduces shock and enhances player feel, providing a smooth playing experience. It's perfect for players who find thermoformed paddles too powerful and sandwich-style paddles too soft. Cold molding approach. Unlike traditional paddles that rely on intense heat, the Prism uses a unique cold molding method, adding control and touch. Foam-injected walls contribute to a unibody construction, offering plushness without excessive power. Enhanced durability. With a greater cross-sectional area, the Prism distributes loads more evenly and resists deformation, ensuring consistent power even on mishits. This design gives players controlled power across the paddle surface. USAPA approved. Trusted by top PPA and MLP professionals, the paddle is USAPA approved, making it a reliable choice for serious competitors. Superior spin and longevity. Made from raw to 700 carbon fiber, the paddle offers more spin and durability than fiberglass or graphite options. Designed with everyday players in mind, it ensures top-notch performance over time. With its advanced features, the Vatic Pro Prism Carbon Fiber 16mm paddle redefines what a carbon fiber pickleball paddle can offer, ideal for players who prioritize control and touch over sheer power. The next is Number 4. Selkirk Sport Pickleball Paddles. These pickleball paddles are designed to enhance performance, offering a perfect blend of power, control, and comfort. Developed with cutting-edge technology, the SLK line by Selkirk is an ideal choice for both beginners and advanced players. Key features: multi-layer face technology. SLK paddles feature a revolutionary multi-layer face that combines the power of graphite with the control of fiberglass. This advanced technology, trusted by professional players, ensures optimal performance for both indoor and outdoor games. SX3 Honeycomb Core. At the heart of SLK paddles is the exclusive SX3 Honeycomb Core, which provides a larger sweet spot for consistent speed and shot accuracy. The core absorbs the impact, softening the feel and giving players better control. Lightweight design. Weighing only 7.5 ounces, these paddles strike a perfect balance between lightweight and medium-weight options. This makes them an excellent choice for the next generation of pickleball players looking for agility and speed without sacrificing control. Ultra Cushion Grip. The SLK paddles feature an Ultra Comfort grip with a 4.25-inch circumference and a 5.25-inch length, designed to absorb perspiration and reduce hand fatigue. This comfortable grip ensures longer gameplay without discomfort, even during intense matches. SLK Paddle Set. The SLK Neo set includes 2 paddles, 1 red and 1 blue, 4 indoor and outdoor pickleball balls, and a rigid carry bag for protection. This set offers the same quality and technology used in professional Selkirk paddles, but at an affordable price, making it the ultimate starter set for new players. With its blend of advanced materials, thoughtful design, and affordability, Selkirk Sport Pickleball Paddles offer players everything they need to elevate their game. The next is Number 3. Selkirk Luxe Pickleball Paddles. These pickleball paddles are designed to offer a superior blend of power, control, and precision. Packed with cutting-edge technologies from Selkirk Labs, the Luxe paddles are engineered to elevate your gameplay to the next level, providing consistency and comfort with every shot. Key features: aerodynamic throat. The Luxe control paddles feature an aerodynamic throat design, improving airflow and enhancing ball control. This design ensures smooth, controlled gameplay with greater precision. Throat Flex technology. The ThroatFlex open throat design maximizes flexibility upon ball contact, increasing the dwell time and providing enhanced power with consistent performance. This unique feature allows players to maintain accuracy and control in power shots. ProSpin Plus Next Gen Texture. Developed in Selkirk Labs, the ProSpin Plus Next Gen microtexture technology offers a more durable surface designed for improved spin. This refined texture ensures unparalleled precision and control, allowing players to shape their shots with ease. 360 degrees proto-molding. Lux paddles use advanced 360 degrees proto-molding technology for exceptional power and consistency. This high-pressure molding process creates a seamless, uniform feel across the entire paddle, ensuring reliable performance on every hit. FlexFoam Perimeter. The FlexFoam Perimeter technology, originally developed in Selkirk's 002 paddle, adds foam to the paddle's entire perimeter. This innovation increases durability, enhances the sweet spot, and absorbs vibrations, delivering smoother gameplay and reducing fatigue during long matches. The Selkirk Lux Pickleball Paddles are designed for players seeking a competitive edge, combining innovation, precision, and power. With technologies like the aerodynamic ThroatFlex, and ProSpin Plus Next Gen Texture, these paddles ensure high performance, making them a game changer for both recreational and professional players alike. The next is Number 2. Jula Ben Pickleball Paddles. Jula, a global leader in table tennis for over 70 years, has partnered with World #1 pickleball player Ben Johns to create the Jula Ben Pickleball Paddles. This new line of paddles is designed to elevate gameplay and performance, offering players unmatched control, power, and comfort. Key features: official paddle sponsor of Ben Johns in the PPA Tour. As the official paddle sponsor for Ben Johns and the PPA Tour, Jula brings innovation to the pickleball court. This collaboration promises to reshape the sport with cutting-edge equipment. Carbon abrasion surface, CASH, for superior spin. Jula's US EPA-approved CASH technology uses a multi-step sandblasting process to create a textured surface. This unique design enhances spin, giving players more control over their shots, making it ideal for competitive play. Hybrid ply technology for ultimate control. Jula's hybrid ply technology combines multiple layers of material strategically. The top layer is optimized for precision dinking and blocking, while the bottom layers add power to your drives, providing a perfect balance between control and power. Response polypropylene honeycomb core. The 16mm polymer core of the paddle reduces vibration and enhances control. The honeycomb design compresses upon impact, offering a softer feel and extending the paddle's durability, ensuring long-lasting performance. Sure Grip technology for comfort. Jula's Sure Grip technology features a perforated, anti-slip ridge grip, which improves handling by reducing moisture and enhancing shock absorption. This feature allows for confident swings without discomfort or fatigue. The paddles come with a custom-sized cover for extra protection. With its advanced technologies and Ben Johns stamp of approval, the Jula Ben Pickleball Paddles offer unmatched spin, control, and comfort. These paddles are a game changer for anyone looking to elevate their pickleball experience. The next is Number 1. Vinsker Pickleball Paddles. The Vinsker Pickleball Paddles are designed to deliver exceptional performance for players of all levels. Officially approved by USA Pickleball in January 2023, these paddles meet the standards for tournament play, making them a trusted choice for both recreational players and professionals alike. Key features: US EPA Pickleball approved. The Vinsker Pickleball set has been inspected and approved by USA Pickleball for official tournaments. As of January 10, 2023, this paddle meets the necessary requirements to ensure optimal performance during competitive play. Power boosting material. Featuring a polymer honeycomb core and a fiberglass finish, the paddle offers sharp, powerful returns. The honeycomb core dampens vibrations for a clean feel on each shot, while the fiberglass surface enhances spin potential, helping players take their game to the next level. Comfortable ergonomic handle. The ridged, perforated grips of the paddle fit comfortably between your fingers, providing a secure hold. With an ideal handle length of 4.8, the ergonomic design is anti-skid, wear-resistant, and durable, ensuring both comfort and stability during long gameplay. This feature makes it a great gift option for women players. Light and large, sweet spot. Weighing just 7.8 ounces, The paddle is lightweight and easy to maneuver, allowing for faster swings and better control. The wider paddle surface increases the sweet spot, making it more forgiving for beginners while still being a valuable asset for pros. The edge guard adds durability by protecting against scrapes and scratches, perfect for beginners and pros. Whether you're just starting or are a seasoned player, the Vinsker Pickleball set includes all necessary equipment for a complete game. It's an excellent gift for family and friends, catering to all skill levels. Overall, the Vinsker Pickleball Paddles provide a blend of power, comfort, and durability, making them a perfect choice for any pickleball enthusiast. So this is the best option for you to buy.